Oh, I'm sorry, yo. Hi, I'm here to explain how the first big industry in the United States was the railroad industry. This was started by the Bessemer method, which was an efficient way of making steel. This method was used by Vanderbilt, which started a huge industry of making railroads. Here, let's get into more depth with the music video. What happens after the boom in railroads, you might ask? In 1893, a nationwide panic, woe is me, caused by over-speculation and too many loans. Add to the fact there were too many railroads. I'm sorry, you're still watching. Well, now that we know a little bit about the business of railroads, let's talk a little more about the transcontinental railroads, which were used during the Civil War. These railroads included a lot of immigrants to work on these. Let's take a quick look at what we saw earlier today, which was an immigrant working on the railroads. It's been a long day working, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I'm finished with this. We've come a long way working today, and I'll tell you all about it when I'm finished with this railroad work. Oh, y'all still watching? Well, now that you know about the transcontinental railroads, let me explain to you what happens when these railroads go bankrupt. There are large amounts of bankers, such as J.P. Morgan, who really took advantage of this opportunity. You know, what they did was they wanted to gain more control over these bankrupt railroads. And I rarely buy railroads, but when I do buy railroads, they're bankrupt. Not only that, but these bankrupt railroads eliminated competition, which not only meant that competition was eliminated, but this meant that companies control 2/3 of the nation's railroads. That's a lot, and a lot of railroads. Not only just one railroad, but another one, and another one, and then another one. That's a lot. That's a major key, and that's a lot. These railroads were really important as they created regional railroad monopolies. You know, we'll get a little more into that, but this is just, oh my gosh, this is just really ridiculous. Railroads promoted the steel industry because steel was required to make railroads. Individuals like Carnegie grew rich in their steel industries. I'm Carnegie.
Carnegie here grew from a poor immigrant to a rich, successful business owner. His steel company produced more steel than Britain combined. His steel is used everywhere, from tools to buildings to railroad tracks. He became a very, very wealthy man.
Sauce, baby. No wrong, baby. Jimmy, baby.
Thank y'all for sticking along. Thank y'all for listening to me. You guys were a great audience, and I hope y'all learned something today. Hee-haw!